Okay, welcome everyone. I'll talk about derivatives. Okay, or differentiation. Yeah. Okay, get into the questions or the examples first. But let me just remind you that f of x, let's say f of x is equals to 2 constant. If we want to find the derivative, f accent of x is equals to 0. Any constant, yeah, when we differentiate it, it's gonna be 0. Yeah, yeah, the derivative of 2. Okay, now let's say what's the if it's the function of x is equals to 3. Yeah, 3x plus 1. Yeah. Okay, then when you find f accent of x, it's gonna be 3. Yeah, 3 aja. Ya, misalnya when jika ada variable, ya, if there's a variable and then there's also the coefficient when you take the derivative, the variable will yeah be differentiated, hence left us with 3. Yeah, so f of x of ax, yeah, where a is a constant. So it's gonna be f accent of x will be a. Yeah, that's simple. Okay, let's do, for example, f of x is equals to 2 to the x. Nah, jika kita mau cari turunannya, if we want to find the derivative, it's gonna be f accent of x is equals to 2 to the x ln 2, ya, natural log of 2. Nah, f of x, ya, or f of accent of x will be a to the x log ln of a, yeah, from f of x is equals to a to the x, yeah, where a is constant. Is a constant. F of x is equals to x squared. Now we're gonna do the power rule. Yeah, so let's say f of x, function of x, is equals to x to the n, where n is a constant. So f accent of x will be n x to the power of n minus 1. Yeah. Okay, so this will be when f accent of x will be 2x to the 2 minus 1. Yeah, hence it will be 2 to the 2x. Yeah, to the power of 1 is just x. Okay, that's for the basic. I just there's still the basics formula, for example the quotient rule. Okay, but I'm gonna do the product rule first. Yeah, so for example f of x times g of x. Yeah, we're gonna find the derivative of that. So it's gonna be f accent of x times g of x minus plus f of x times g accent of x. Yeah, that's for the product rule. Yeah, now the chain rule, actually. F of g of x. Yeah, f of g of x accent is gonna be g accent of x times f of f accent of g of x. Yeah. Okay, next the quotient rule, where f of x over g of x, yeah, accent is gonna be f accent of x times g of x minus f of x times g accent of x divided by g of x squared. Yeah, that's for the quotient rule. Okay. Okay, now to the examples. Examples. Let's say number one, e to the x plus 2 to log base 3 of x. Yeah, log base 3 of x. Okay, now find when, wait, I have to erase this. So this is f accent of x, yeah? This is f of x. When I find f accent of x. Now, we know that the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Yeah, or if one want to show the way, um, for example, e is a constant, right? So if we do a to the x, if we want f of x is equals to a to the x, remember, f accent of x is equals to a to the x ln a. Yeah, so if we do f accent of x of e to the x, f of x, when f of x is equals to e to the x, and we want to find the f accent of x, it's going to be e to the x times ln e. Now, ln is already based with e. Yeah, natural log is based with e, so that will cancel out with left us with e to the x. Right? Okay, so it's just e to the x plus 2 log base 3 of x. Okay, first, uh 2 is a constant, so we can take it out, and then we're gonna just find the derivative of log base 3 of x. So it's just gonna be 1 2 over x ln 3. Yeah, that's for this. Okay, this is the answer. Next, for example number 2, f of x equals to 2 e to the 2x plus 3 plus 3. Now, we have to take the derivative. Yeah, we have to do the chain rule. Oh yeah, I haven't explained the chain rule yet. Yeah, I haven't explained the chain rule. So the chain rule is basically, if I already explained the chain rule. Okay, so f accent of x will be, we can take the 2 out, so we e to the 2x. So we're gonna take the derivative of 2 to x, which is just 2, right? So 2 times 2 e to the 2x, yeah, plus 0, which is 4 e to the 2x. Yeah, that's for the number 2. Now number 3, f of x equals to sine of x plus cosine of 3x. we know that the derivative of sine x, yeah, derivative of sine x is equals to cosine x, yeah. So we can just write that as equals to cosine x. Okay, plus cosine of 3x. We're gonna use the chain rule. So we can take the derivative of 3x. Okay, and then we will times it to cosine 3x. So 3 3x, the derivative of 3x will be 3, right? So it's gonna be 3 times cosine. Wait, I mean, we're gonna have to take the derivative of the cosine x also, right? So it's gonna be negative sine, yeah, negative sine. That was negative sine of 3x. Okay, hence the final result is 1 plus minus, yeah, minus 3 sine of 3x. Okay, that's the result for this one. Okay, 4 only 5 examples, yeah. F of x is equals to 2x over 3x minus 1 plus 2 to the x. Okay, f accent of x, we have to use the quotient rule, yeah. So the quotient rule tells us basically f of x over g of x, and take the derivative of that is going to be f accent of x times g of x minus f of x times g accent of x divided by g of x squared. Okay, so we have to take 2x as equals to f of x and 3x minus 1 as g of x, yeah. Okay, the derivative of 2x is 2, yeah. 2 times 3x minus 1, okay, times, yeah, already. So minus by a function of x. Function of x is just 2x. And then the derivative of g of x is equals to 3, yeah, times by 3, because 1 is just 0, yeah, derivative of 1. Okay, next, oh yeah, divided by gx squared, which is 3x minus 1 squared. Okay, hence simplifying this is equals to 6x minus 2 minus 6x over 3x squared. Okay, this is, yeah, we're going to do the FOIL method. 9x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 1, yeah. So it's going to be 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Okay, so that's for the denominator, x plus 1. Yeah, ready. So f of accent of x is equals to accent of x equals to f accent of x is equals to 6x, this can cancel, yeah, minus 2 over 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Okay, that's for number 4. Now number 5. E to the 3e to the 3x minus sine x plus wait, I have to erase the 5, and I will equal this as, yeah, I will equal this as function of x, yeah, function of x equals 3e to the 3x minus sine x, and then plus by 2 to the ln of x, yeah, minus 1. time, yeah, to the length of x minus 1. Okay, what's f accent of x? Okay, you have to use the chain rule for this, yeah. Okay, we have to think about what's the derivative of 3x and what's the derivative of minus sine x or negative sine x. The derivative of negative sine x is just negative cosine x, yeah, while the derivative of 3x is just 3. So we can times that, uh, 3 to the 3e to the 3x minus sine x. So this is gonna be 3, yeah, 3 minus cosine x, and then it's gonna be times by 3, 3e to the 3x, 3x minus sine x plus 2 to the 2 to the power of ln x minus 1. Now, remember this, yeah, that if f of x equals to a or x a to the x, then f accent of x will be a to the x ln a, yeah. So this will be equals to uh this one, yeah. So 2 to the ln x minus 1, yeah, and then we're gonna take ln, yeah, 2 2 to the ln x minus 1, and then ln of 2, ln of 2, and times, yeah, the times by the derivative of that, which is just 1 over x, and f accent of x will be 3e to the, okay, never, I'm just gonna leave it there, yeah. So it's gonna be 3e 3x minus sine x of 3. What I read as, yeah, just like this one, 3 minus cosine x, 3e to 3x minus sine x plus 2 to the ln of x minus 1 ln 2 over x. Okay, that's for answer number, what number is this? Oh, last number 5. Okay, that's it for, yeah, turunan or differentiation. Okay, thank you.